In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill and add checkboxes in PDF forms with UPDF. If you've ever opened a PDF and wished you could quickly tick a box or add new checkboxes for clearer responses, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in UPDF. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can follow along and get results right away. First, open the UPDF app on your computer. Once UPDF is running, you're ready to bring in the document you want to work with. Choose a PDF that already includes form fields, ideally one with existing checkboxes, or upload a PDF you plan it to enhance. Interactive form PDFs are perfect because they're designed to respond when you click on fields. If your file doesn't already have interactive fields, that's fine too. You'll still be able to add checkboxes in a moment. With your PDF open in the editor, go to any checkbox in the document and simply click it. You'll see the box fill, indicating it's selected. Click again to uncheck it. This is particularly helpful for questionnaires, agreements, or sign-off sheets where a clear yes or no is needed. If there are multiple checkboxes next to a list of options, you can tick as many as you need. If you ever change your mind, just click again to undo. A quick tip, if the boxes are small, zooming in can make clicking more precise. Now if your PDF is missing a checkbox where you need one, you can add it. Look for the Forms option at the top of the UPDF interface. Click it to access the form tools, then choose the checkbox tool. Move your cursor to the spot in the document where the new checkbox should appear and click to place it. You can drag it to reposition it and adjust the size so it aligns neatly with your text or layout. This is a great way to standardize responses or to convert a static list into something that's easy to complete digitally. To recap, you open UPDF, select or upload a PDF, ideally one with form fields, click existing checkboxes to tick or untick them, and when needed, add an extra checkbox using the Forms option at the top. With these steps, you can keep your PDFs organized, consistent, and easy for anyone to fill out. That's all you need to start working confidently with checkboxes in UPDF. Follow along on your own document, and you'll be able to check off tasks, literally, in no time.